Well, today I'm going through a lot of old garbage here, sorting through the garbage, a lot of old stuff, and one thing I'm finding a lot of is old floppy disks, 3.5-inch floppy disks, and particularly from my old Amiga computer. I used to have an Amiga, which I bought I think in 1987, I think. And it had these floppy disks. Didn't have a hard drive. We didn't have hard drives in those days. Well, not ordinary home users didn't usually have hard drives. But you know, so you had to boot off these and then load stuff. I think I had 2 megabytes of memory too, which was pretty good in those days. But now they're just garbage. 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 Well, I'm out walking now on my exercise walk, and the sky's looking a bit dark. I'm pointing with my umbrella there rather than the usual finger, because I brought the umbrella because it well, it actually is raining a little bit, but you know, the sky's a bit black and could pour at any moment. Here's the track. There's some people up there. I better stop vlogging. They might think I'm a loony. I'm in a car park here, and the car park just below me, there are these coloured thingies on the ground, as you can see there. In fact, they sort of mark out like an S shape, or a double. There's like 2 rows of them, and they follow an S shape. Well, a zigzagging shape. Now, what are they for? Well, that's a good question indeed. Anyway, yeah, leave a comment if you think you know what that might be. It's quite interesting. Well, it's really raining now. I'm glad I brought this umbrella. Otherwise I'd be drenched. Hello, what are you doing?
Making garden.
You're cute.
Yeah.
She's cute. Well, now I've got to put this door back on. This one on there. Took it off a couple of days ago when they delivered the safes. Hello.
Hello.
Well, there you have it. The door. Hit that cow.
Sorry?
Hit that cow.
Yeah, that's very good. Very good.
Actually, that's quite a lot of cow.
Yeah.
Dead cow. What are you cooking there? What is that? It's plastic.